Thank you. Thank you all for being here. What a wonderful, wonderful day. And I have absolutely no doubt I am sure that many of you were standing out in front of the Supreme Court when the decision came down, and I want to thank you for letting us know of the victory, since we could hear your screams here in City Hall. You know, Martin Luther King once said that the arc of history is long, but that it bends towards justice. And with the resounding victory that we received today in the California Supreme Court, I think everybody can say that California has taken a tremendous leap forward in terms of reaching out and providing and making sure that we are going to have equality for everybody here in California. By reaffirming that everybody, regardless of sexual orientation, has a fundamental right to marry, and by finding that the California marriage laws are a violation of the Equal Protection Clause of the California Constitution, and that everybody, regardless of sexual orientation, is entitled to protection based on classification, we have taken a wonderful step forward to ensuring that we are going to have marriage equality, not just here in California, but hopefully throughout this country. And I think it is extremely important. It is extremely important that we take a minute to reflect on the courageousness of the California Supreme Court. You know, unfortunately, courts are under assault all over this country for their independence. And what I think we see here today is the importance of having an independent judiciary that lives up to its constitutional mandate as a co-equal branch of government to do what is right and to make its decision based on the law. And I can't tell you how gratified I am for the courage of the majority of the California Supreme Court. We have come a long way. It's been a long 4 years, and I think it's good that we reflect on where we have come. In 2004, when the city, along with its co-partners, filed this case on behalf of the entire city and county of San Francisco, no government had ever been on this side of the issue. And we advanced a broad societal interest in ending discrimination against lesbian and gay couples, along with our co-counsel. 4 years later, we improbably stood shoulder to shoulder with 21 cities and counties statewide in the highest court in the largest state in the nation, and we united 7 of California's 8 largest cities, including Los Angeles and San Diego, San Jose and Sacramento, in support of marriage equality. We stood shoulder to shoulder with extraordinary families, many of whom are here today, who movingly showed the human side of justice denied. And we have a lot to be proud of. I am proud of Mayor Gavin Newsome for his bold and principled leadership on this issue. I'm proud of my Chief Deputy, Terry Stewart, for perhaps the smartest, best prepared, most inspirational advocacy that I've ever seen. I'm proud of the deputies in the City Attorney's Office who gave so generously of their intelligence, expertise, and passion to this cause. I'm proud of our co-counsel, especially Shannon Minter, whose advocacy was so eloquent and calmly powerful, and to our outside counsel at Howard Rice. I'm especially proud of our partner, Kate Kendall. And I am proud of everyone at NCLR, Lambda Legal, ACLU, Equality California, and Marriage Equality USA, who have been our partners throughout the course of this litigation. And most importantly, I am proud of all the families who took part in this fight, both as plaintiffs and as supporters, those front and center and those behind the scenes. It's to you. It's your inspiration, your strength, and your commitment that has led us to this day. So thank you, all of you, for being here. And I'd next like to introduce Mayor Gavin Newsome to say a few words.
Thank you. Thank you, Gavin. Thank you. Thank you, Dennis. Thank you all. What a day in San Francisco! What a day in California! What a day for America! What a day for equality! Who among us was prepared for this? This is an extraordinary moment and an extraordinary time. And I can't impress upon you how proud I am to be a San Franciscan, how proud I am to stand here with Dennis Herrera and his team and all those you see behind me, in front of you, to the side of you, that have worked so hard over the last 4 years to get us to this point. This is an extraordinary day. And at the end of the day, make no mistake, this day is about real people and their lives. This day is about people being able to live their lives out loud. This day is about people coming together in families all across the state of California and allowing themselves to be fully expressive. This is about Phyllis, Lyon, and Del Martin. Because that's where it started. 52 years of love and devotion and constancy and faith in one another. It's about their lives. It's about their narrative. It's about their story. It's about their friends. It's about their families. It's about their brothers and sisters, and it's about millions of people and their parents and grandparents, their friends and their family. It's about human dignity. It's about civil rights. It's about time in California. And by the way, as California goes, so goes the rest of the nation. It's inevitable. This door's wide open now. It's going to happen, whether you like it or not. This is the future, and it's now. Courts across this country, we're waking up. 4 years ago, we all stood here. What an extraordinary journey. And yes, as a Catholic that is not allowed the Eucharist, I can still talk to my Catholic faith and say that God's delays are not God's denials. That justice in this case was delayed and was not denied. And to remind people that there are some fundamental terms that unite us all. And Dr. King, that Dennis referenced, in that wonderful comment he made so many years ago about that long arch of history always bending toward justice, also said something else, said we're all bound together by a web of mutuality, that we're all in this together, many parts but one body. This is so much bigger than the gay, lesbian, and bisexual community. This is about families coming together. This is about what we represent as Americans and what the Constitution represents in terms of its principles and protections. The Constitution is the winner today. The Constitution was affirmed today. And the Constitution is bigger than all of us, bigger than the politicians, bigger than the pundits, bigger than all of us. So all I can say, because I'm utterly unprepared for this moment, is to say thank you to all the leadership and the example in this city for generations. This could not have happened had we not had a city that has always recognized that its strength is in its remarkable diversity. This could not have happened had it not been for a city where people from every conceivable walk of life, from every point of view, were living together and advancing together across every conceivable difference. It wouldn't be allowed to happen had it not been for a city that unites around its shared values. And that is really what I'm, at the end of the day, so proud of, is San Francisco and the values that were affirmed that our city represents. So, Terry, to your team, to Howard Rice, to the great leadership of Dennis Herrera, to the California Supreme Court, to Mark Leno and the California legislature, to our governor we're going to need to win this November, to all of you, thank you. This is a great day for California and a great day for America. This is a great day for the Constitution. Thank you all very much.